Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how you can find your WhatsApp username key. So basically, WhatsApp username key is a interesting feature that gives you extra privacy. Let me explain. First, open WhatsApp and then switch to U tab. Now here, click on the pencil icon and then go to username. Now here, if you click on contact me by username, WhatsApp basically gives you two different options to control who can contact you using that username. The first one is everyone. It's pretty obvious that if you choose everyone, everyone on WhatsApp can reach you using that username. But if you choose people who know my key, then along with your username, you also need to give that unique 4-digit key to the person who want you to reach using that username. So if you have chosen this second option, then anyone on WhatsApp can only reach you using your username only if they know that username along with the unique 4-digit username key. So from here you can see the username key and send it to anyone. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.